Alan and Glenda, Oakland County Prosecutor Jessica Cooper says her office is putting in place a number of policies to keep her prosecutors safe, but they also must move forward on certain cases.
We're not talking about anything other than we need to protect the public.
Oakland County Prosecutor Jessica Cooper says in order to help prevent the spread of coronavirus, her office is suspending things like flying out of state to pick up prisoners.
We've shut down anything that requires travel, expert witnesses, the white-collar cases, the cases that are lower-level felonies, the cases that don't involve physical violence.
Cooper says she's encouraging any assistant prosecutors who feel sick to stay home. She says her office does have a work-from-home plan, but not every lawyer will be able to do that. Right now, the Michigan Supreme Court is recommending that judges postpone all jury trials unless the criminal defendant is currently locked up.
There's a problem. We have cases that are waiting. We have due process cases, and now that they've publicized the fact that the only cases that would be going, then now the jurors, should there be jurors, would know that this defendant is incarcerated, and there's a little due process problem all through this whole proceeding.
The Supreme Court can make recommendations about minimizing crowds in the courts, but ultimately it's up to the individual judges. Cooper's assistant prosecutors have to work with 20 different circuit court judges and 31 different district court judges across the county. She says right now, no one seems to have a clear directive on whether trials are moving forward and what to do about jurors who are more worried about a virus rather than a verdict.
One judge adjourned a hearing. Another judge hasn't returned our phone calls. We don't know if they're going to bring in a jury veneer to begin with, and if they are going to have problems bringing in that group of people. And if they say no, is that contemptuous or is that fear, and reasonable fear?
The Oakland County judges are meeting tomorrow to work out which trials are going forward. I also spoke with the chief judge in Wayne County. Starting on Monday, they are going to postpone all civil jury trials and any not in custody criminal jury trials until March 30th. Now, trials with defendants who are in custody and have had a loss of liberty will go forward. So will bench trials in the juvenile court because they don't need a jury for those cases. Meanwhile, we just got word from the district court in Southfield. They are postponing all non-emergency hearings for 60 days. We have much more information about all of this on WXYZ.com, but certainly a very fluid situation, so stay tuned. Alan and Glenda.